Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 15 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. This issue, we're starting the main framework by the looks of it, so we'll get on with that. After looking at, well, it'll be the 15th episode, won't it? Joker goes to school. There we go. I don't know how many episodes there are. I'm assuming enough to cover one for each episode of this. But yeah, there we go. We'll look through that if you like. Then we'll look through the Superman comics. Obviously, DC being both of those things, along with other well-loved characters. There you go. Feel free to pause and read all the comic strips and look at all the pictures and read all the words. This is the first part we've got. It's, what does it call it? Is in this part you will be the fuel line. And the first part of the chassis. There we go. And another screwdriver, which is always nice, although it's not a great screwdriver. So yes, first of all, we're going to attach this fuel line to the engine that we've got. Then we'll put that aside for a time being. And we'll look at the first part and take away the supplied packing strut. And that's that. That's what we'll end up with. So it won't take very long to do that. We'll clear this out of the way and we'll have a look. So the engine from last time we have here, the bit from this time, screwdriver from this time. We also have, you may have noticed, another binder or slipcase, which I have stuck the number 2 onto, and I've got this month's delivery in there already. So I think these will pretty much all go in the old one. I think you'll get 20 in each. But I shall put the number 1 on the first one and put this in line next to it. So the building that we've got to be doing is nice and easy. We've got, first of all, the fuel line to attach one end of. I'm going to leave it sort of wrapped up because otherwise it's just going to get everywhere in it. That goes onto the side of this post that we've got here. Just like that, ready for that to go off to wherever it needs to go, along with the other one that we've got there, and the bits from off the top, and everything all ready to be connected. So that's that done. I don't think we're doing anything else with the engine until quite near the end of this pack anyway, so I'll put that aside. The main chassis assembly that we've got, I'm assuming the front, but it could easily be the back. I don't know. It depends. The back might be more pointed. It's got the big engine thing on it, so don't know. But what we're doing is taking off this strut, which is only on there. Stops the things bending in storage. I shall use the new screwdriver with it. Probably the only time I'll use this particular screwdriver because it's, yeah, as I say, not great. If you're doing a lot of part works, you might want to see about getting yourself a decent screwdriver pack. I shall put that off to one side in case it's ever needed. It's very, very unlikely that it will be. But there we go. There we have that. That's probably going to go on there. Something like, is it? Maybe? I don't know. But for now, I shall put that aside and see what it is that we're going to be doing next time. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon. Bye bye for now.